Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we know that cosine x to the power of 3, we can put cosine x square and cosine x. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine x square plus sine x square equals to number 1. We can see that we have cosine x square. So I will put this one go to the right. And we have 1 minus sine x square. Next, cosine x square, we need to change for this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to cosine x dx. So this one we change for u. This one we change for du. Now we need to expand this one, and we have like this. Next, the cube root, that is about u to the power of 1 over 3. Similar for the second one. Now, this one, number 2, multiplied by this one, and we have 2 plus 1 over 3 in here. So this one we calculate, and we have 7 over 3. So we have the formula in here. So we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. So this one, the integration of number 1, we have u. The next one, we put number 2 cone here. So we have 2 plus 1, we have number 3. The next one, we have 4 over 3. And the next one, we have 10 over 3. And I will put about c. So about u, that is about sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.